Hi everyone, and so it is the week commencing. It's Monday morning. I was going to say I was a bit delayed yesterday in getting through to this. It is the week commencing the 24th of February 2020, and I'm just going to run through the US dollar index versus the major currencies. And we've had a big run up. We've had a bit of a correction back down, a retracement back into the moving averages, back down towards 99. I still think it wants to connect with 100, so we may see this week. I might be looking for a bullish candle to form over the coming days and then see if it attempts to make a run for 100 before perhaps rejecting that again. So just keeping an eye on these levels of resistance on the weekly. It's still, of course, quite possible that it could be rejected. But it's been such a healthy, strong trend. I think I'd like to see if we produce a bullish candle today and then ultimately take another run at 100 and then assess what's going to happen there. It's, overall bullish, and the weekly candle, it's just day one of the week. So that's really what I'm looking for. And so initially, my expectation actually is that even though we should have a deeper retracement right now, if I look at euro dollar, we may actually get a shallower retracement and it might attempt to head off again this week. So it's just something that I'm prepared for. Sterling is relatively speaking stronger, but it is also sliding a bit lower. So that stronger US dollar is knocking sterling, even though sterling is independently quite strong. And so what I'm going to be doing on Aussie dollar and Kiwi dollar, certainly the ones with the best downtrends, is looking for retracements back into those moving averages or the previous lows, and looking for entry opportunities to the downside in the near future. I am keeping in mind, obviously, that the US dollar might be, in the longer term, might be rejected by that 100 level. But for now, I'm going to expect it to maintain that trend. Noting the bullish candle here on Kiwi dollar, a little bit of bullish divergence entering in on the indicators here. So price might likely then produce one more move down and then reverse from that. So that might tie in with the US dollar getting rejected by the 100 level. Dollar yen had broken out last week and it is due for a retracement, and the trend on the weekly certainly is to the upside, so I may look for long opportunities there. Dollar Swissy, again, potentially looking for long opportunities here. There was a nice entry here last week, I beg your pardon, that hit target, so that was pretty cool. Dollar CAD, very choppy, range bound on the weekly. It's actually weaker, and it's just got lower highs on the monthly, so I would stay away from it for myself. There's no trading opportunities there. A couple that I like, for example, what's on my watch list today is EuroCAD. Quite like the look of this, putting back into these moving averages, and I think there's a similar one on one of the Aussie pairs as well. But retracements back up into these lows make a lot of sense for me. I think it was Aussie CAD potentially. So those are certainly on my watch list to come back into those lows before resuming that longer term downtrend.